So in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Pad. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. And now tap the button Add to Wallet. Focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. And now simply select Loyalty Card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Next, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop. And now enter card number, PIN, balance, your nose and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.